You'll have love at first sight with the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The all-new Silverado builds on its heritage with an improved bed design, increased cargo capacity, customizable technology, refined comfort and safety features, and even bolder strength. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks, power steering. Feel confident and relaxed in the all-new Silverado. Take it out for a road test and fall in love.